Hi everyone! Do you know that keeping your home clean and organized can make you feel better all around? Clearing out your space not only makes it look better, but it also makes you feel like you have more control over your life. With good planning skills, you can make the most of your space, make daily tasks easier, and make the space more peaceful. There are a lot of different ways to improve the organization in your home, from using vertical storage to choosing smart furniture. This video will show you some creative and useful ways to organize your home that you can easily use to make your living space more useful and enjoyable. Maximize vertical space. Put shelves or wall-mounted storage units on your walls to make the most of your space. This method clears up room on the floor and lets you store things like plants, books, and decorations at eye level. This not only makes it easier to get to your things, but it also makes your rooms look better. Floating shelves can be used to show off your favorite things or store important cooking tools in the living room or kitchen. By making the most of a vertical room, you can organize your space better and show off your own style, making your home feel both open and welcoming. Underbed storage. Use the area under your bed, which you may not have thought of before, to store things. Clear bins or rolling boxes can be used to store seasonal clothes, shoes, or extra mattress pads. This keeps your things out of sight, but still easy to get to, which helps keep your bedroom clean. You might want to add bed steps to make even more room for bigger storage bins. You can free up closet space and make your bedroom feel more organized and roomy by putting storage under your bed. It's a useful idea for people who want to make the most of their living space. Utilize multifunctional furniture. Buying furniture that can be used for more than one thing can help you organize your home a lot more. Pick pieces that can be used for more than one thing, like coffee tables with shelves, ottomans with secret storage, or beds with drawers built right in. It saves room and keeps your home clean because everyday things are hidden. A stylish storage ottoman, for instance, can hold blankets and books and also be used as extra seating. By adding furniture that can be used for more than one thing, you can make your home more useful and flexible without sacrificing style. Create a command center. Setting up a command center in your home can help you stay on top of things and not get behind. Pick a small desk or a certain spot on the wall to keep important papers, schedules, and to-do lists. You can use this area to keep track of your family's plans, homework, and important notes. Keep everything in one place and easy to get to by using bulletin boards, whiteboards, or file organizers. You can focus on what's important by streamlining your daily tasks and getting rid of unnecessary things around the house if you have a command center. Use clear containers when putting things away in closets, kitchens, and sheds. Choose clear bins and containers. You can make organizing even easier by putting labels on these bins. That way, you'll always know where everything is. To keep your house looking neat, put things like holiday decorations, toys for the kids, and food in clear cases. This method not only keeps you organized, but it also makes your whole place look clean and put together. Install hooks and pegboards. Putting up hooks and pegboards is a great way to keep your space neat and stylish at the same time. Hang coats, bags, and hats on hooks in the foyer. Hang tools and utensils on pegboards in the kitchen or craft room. This method makes the most of vertical space and keeps things that are used often close at hand. Your pegboard can even be made to fit your style by painting it or adding bright hooks. By adding hooks and pegboards, you can improve your home's order and give it personality, making it both useful and stylish. Implement a seasonal declutter. Take some time to clean up and organize your house every season. Sort through the things you have to decide what to keep, give away, or throw away. This habit not only helps you keep your living space clean, but it also makes you more aware of the important things in life. To keep from getting too stressed, work on one area at a time, like the kitchen shelves or closets. Decluttering your home regularly makes it a better place for you and your family to live and makes it easier to find and enjoy the things you love. Designate drop zones. Setting up marked drop zones in your home can help keep things in order and reduce the amount of clutter. Pick a spot near the front door where family members can leave their bags, shoes, and keys. Put these things away in baskets, hooks, or trays to keep them enclosed and in order. By setting up a drop zone, you can make sure that everyone has a place to put their things, which will keep your home cleaner. This easy way to organize makes it easier to find what you need before you leave, and it also helps keep your front door clean for family and guests. Create a pantry system. Getting your kitchen in order is important for making preparing meals easier and more fun. Sort the things you have into groups, like snacks, canned goods, and baking tools. Label and put things in clear cases to keep things neat and easy to find. Set up your shelves so that you can see what you have. This will help you avoid waste and make sure you use up goods before they go bad. A well-kept pantry not only saves you time while cooking, but it also makes your kitchen feel calm and in order. Use drawer organizers. Getting drawer organizers can really help you keep your home more organized. Separate tools, office supplies, or cosmetics with dividers to make sure everything has its place. This makes the best use of the room and keeps things organized so you don't have to dig through a messy drawer to find what you need. Keeping your drawers clean makes your living space more functional so you can focus on your daily tasks without being interrupted. An easy but effective way to keep any part of your home in order is to use drawer organizers. Incorporate baskets. Baskets are a beautiful and useful way to organize your home. You can quickly hide and store different things in them in different places, like the living room, bedroom, or bathroom. To keep things neat, you can put them on shelves, under tables, or in closets. Pick boxes that go with your home style to make it look like it all goes together. Adding texture and warmth with baskets is one thing, but they are also a useful way to keep your things organized and easy to get to. Go digital. Going digital with your important paperwork and photos is an easy way to cut down on paper clutter. Scan important papers like bills and records and store them in the cloud so they are easy to find. You can keep memories alive without taking up a physical room by making digital photo albums. You can save space in your home and keep important information safe by scanning your papers. This practice makes it easier to stay organized and gives you a better, more organized space to live in. Conclusion: cleaning up your space not only makes it look better, but it also makes you feel like you have more control over your life. You can make the most of your room, make daily tasks easier, and make your home peaceful by planning well. Using vertical storage and choosing smart furniture are just a few of the many ways you can make your home more organized. We'll look at some creative and useful ways to organize your home in this video. These tips will help you make your living place more useful and enjoyable. Remember to subscribe, share, and leave a comment.